the drawings. Hello little friends, we are back. Let's draw this beautiful rainbow fish. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, okay? Let's go. Let's get the outline of our rainbow fish on top of the head. We draw the line of the little face, passing through his mouth and follow to the bottom. Yes. We're going around the entire lower fin of our goldfish. Did you know that we can also call fish fins flippers? They are beautiful. Let's make all the lines that separate the colors of the fin of our fish. Now we draw the scales of her little body. We will outline her beautiful and very long tail. We will also go around all the lines that separate the colors of the tail, step by step, very slowly. Yes, very well. Did you know that rainbow fish are known for their vibrant and bright coloring? They are incredible ornamental animals, stand out for their striking coloring and also for having a very robust body. Wow! Our little fish is starting to appear. Let's draw the line until the end to complete the drawing of the head of our rainbow fish. We're going to go around the top fin of our little fish. We draw the lines to separate the colors of that fin. Did you know that rainbow fish can be found in lakes, rivers, and even salt water? They are known for being great swimmers and for their unique beauty. We will draw the circles that represent the sea water bubbles, where our little fish is floating. Our rainbow fish loves to float. Very well. To finish our drawing, let's go around the eye of our cute little fish. That's great! Wow! We have finished all the outline of our rainbow fish. It was beautiful. If you are enjoying the design of this beautiful fish so far, you can subscribe to the channel now. That's great! Now, are we going to paint? I have already separated the 8 colors that we will use to paint the drawing of our rainbow fish. To begin our painting, we will use the red color to paint a part of each of the fins of our goldfish. Watch the curves to make your painting perfect. Continue painting very slowly. Very well. Now, let's use the light orange color to paint another color strip on all the fins of our fish. Watch the curves to make your painting look cool. Keep painting very slowly. That's good! We will now use the lilac color to paint other stripes of color on each of the fins of our fish. Watch the curves for your painting to be correct. Continue painting very slowly. Very well! We will use the yellow color to paint the 4th color on all the fins of our goldfish. Watch the curves to make your painting look beautiful. Keep painting very slowly. Yes, very well. Wow! We are halfway through our painting. Our little fish is getting very cute. Now, let's use the color pink to paint other stripes of color on all the fins of our goldfish. Watch the curves to make your painting perfect. Continue painting very slowly. Very well! We will now use the light green color to paint more stripes of color on each of the fins of our fish. Watch the curves to make your painting look cool. Continue painting very slowly. Very well! To finish our fin painting, we will use the light blue color to paint the last missing color on all 3 fins of our fish. Keep painting very slowly. Watch the curves to make your painting look beautiful. Yes, very well! Still with the light blue color, we will paint the circles that represent the sea water bubbles, step by step. Looks like our little fish is floating with all these bubbles, isn't it? We will also paint with the light blue color. We painted the eye of our goldfish. Wow, it was beautiful! To finish the painting of all our drawing, we will use the very strong yellow to paint the whole body of our rainbow fish. We paint the bottom of the mouth from the bottom up. Very well! Now we paint the whole body, starting with the tail and skirting its scales. That's great! We continued painting the whole face, contoured his eye very slowly and ended up painting until his little mouth. Wow! Our fish is already complete? Friends, the drawing of our cute rainbow fish was wonderful. Drawing and painting this beautiful fish with me was a really cool way to learn about the fishes. Congratulations! It was amazing! I hope you had as much fun as I did. Now you can leave a like in this video and subscribe so you do not miss any new drawing. I will always bring new drawings here. A big kiss from Ava and see you soon. Ava, draw wings.